Hi, welcome back to the studio of Art by Wendy. Today, I want to show you how to become friends with this permanent ink pen. We're going to work on the line today, but this is only part one of my videos. To get ready for the activity, first of all, I'd like you to just paint 3 interesting colors on your paper. Try and make it look like something that's interesting to look at, but at the same time not too dark. And you're not actually drawing anything. It's really nice to have color on the paper instead of plain white when you're getting used to your pen. Now you're going to draw a vase for putting some flowers in it. Now this is not just any old vase. We're not trying to make it symmetrical and all those kinds of things. You want just an interesting shape again for a vase. The whole purpose is to get you to use your pens and move around without drawing a lot of lines first. Just move freely right into your pen. Once you've got your vase drawn and a little bit of a design put on it, check out this little flower that I'm drawing here. This is a very user-friendly kind of flower that you can draw, which again doesn't require doing a lot of pencil work ahead of time. You can just jump in there, use your pen, draw the lines for the outside and little balls in the center. Makes for quite an interesting thing. So then I'm drawing a little 3-petal flower. This is a happy little thing, and it's kind of nice to have some little pieces in amongst all your big stuff. So what I've done is I've drawn a few circles as to where I would like to put flowers to try and make them into a nice bundle. The flower I'm doing now here is kind of like a carnation. And as you can see, it's just rows and rows of squiggly lines to make the flower. Again, all you need to draw is 1 circle with your pencil to give you an idea of the size and where you want it, and then pick up your pen and go at it. I decided to take a flower break and go back and work on my vase again. Here you're going to practice your straight lines, starting at the top and just going down and around the shape that's in there. You won't want to be doing pencil lines first. You want to get a feeling for that quick line down. It doesn't matter if they're not perfectly spaced, just keep going. Once you've got your flowers done, then you can start adding some of those interesting little shapes that I've added on mine. Just things to bring in some darks, to give it a little bit of focus. And as you can see, I like to take a break, do a little bit of flowers, do a few little jigs and jags, some little leaves, some little branches. And I just keep moving around, adding more and more. I decided to keep just to those 3 types of flowers and just make my bouquet out of them. You can see how little things just make such interesting shapes and design. I finished my flowers, and so now I'm adding a light layer of pink over my vase. You need to watch it as you do this because you don't want the undercolor to mix with the pink. So it's a quick movement, lightly painted, and then you're done. When you work on a little project like this, it really gives you a lot of practice in freehand drawing with your pen. This is so important to build your confidence. My next video is going to be looking at shading and how you can add that as well as broken lines. See you then. Wendy teaches outdoor sketching classes in the summer, and she teaches in her studio and online throughout the year. Wendy produces original work in pencil and in watercolor. She completes commission work, particularly pet portraits, and produces cards and prints from some of her work.